In this video, we'll walk you through the process of changing out an existing Danfoss universal control on your Beverage-Air refrigerator or freezer with a new Danfoss replacement. It's a simple fix, requiring only a screwdriver or power drill and a wire stripper and crimper tool. Before you begin, be sure to verify that you have the correct replacement kit for your equipment type. Start by disconnecting the power to the unit. Next, you'll need to access the existing control. Open the upper panel first, then unscrew the lower panel and gently pull forward to open. Before removing the control, take note of the wiring placement. If you're replacing a refrigerator control, the wires will be replaced in the same location. There are two wiring changes to note on the freezer control. The defrost wire will move from terminal 4 to terminal 6, and the light wire will move from terminal 6 to terminal 4. You're now ready to remove the existing Danfoss control. Slide out the locking clips holding it in place, then disconnect the wires. Remove the old control and insert the replacement. Reattach the locking clips to secure the control. Then reattach the wires, making sure to follow the wiring diagrams provided. You can now replace the upper and lower panels and restore power to the unit. Your Danfoss control replacement is now complete, and the unit is ready for operation. If you have any questions about this procedure, please contact Tech Service at 1-800-684-1199. Thank you for watching and for choosing Beverage-Air, your complete refrigeration source.